Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, certainly a big change of seasons on the way next several days. Of course, we're locked in with summer for a while, well, for a little while longer, and then a return to autumn by the weekend. In the meantime, summer is back. Temperatures topping out in the lower 90s this afternoon. Not as hot tomorrow, but we should get up into at least the lower 80s, and the humidity should remain high for one more day. So a muggy, summery day before the cool down begins Friday, and especially on the upcoming weekend. Strong cold front is our next weather maker. What that will do is push out the warmth and the humidity by tomorrow night, actually later tomorrow night, Friday morning. That'll set up for some cooler weather. But ahead of this front, some pretty strong thunderstorms. We're going to watch this very closely. Not so much tomorrow day, but rather tomorrow evening, and especially tomorrow night. Some with heavy downpours and some gusty wind. First hurricane of the season has formed on Berto with winds now of 85 miles per hour. Gabrielle, no longer a tropical storm, now a tropical depression, continues to fade away. But to give you an idea how far away this hurricane is, this is actually the coast of Africa. But some of our most infamous storms have formed off the African coastline. The 1938 storm is one example of that. It's well developed on the satellite photo, winds close to 90 miles per hour, but it will undergo some changes. As it drifts to the north, it'll bend back to the west and weaken to actually a tropical depression by early next week in the central Atlantic. Now, whether or not in this position it can make a comeback and become a tropical storm or even a hurricane again as it tracks off to the west later next week remains to be seen. Bottom line is way out in the open Atlantic, and many, many days to be looking at that. Actually, a nice summer night here in Providence. All of southern New England is kind of breezy, warm, and humid. Temperatures in the mid-70s. We'll be missing this come February when it's icy and snowy, but most locales in the 70s. It'll stay warm and humid all night long, staying in the 70s. Big thunderstorms. Central and northern New England are weakening. They're staying to our north. Notice how quiet it is here in southern New England. It should stay that way right on through the overnight hours. Take a look at your futurecast this evening and overnight. Partly to mostly cloudy. Some areas of fog forming late because of the high humidity. Warm and muggy at 71. Any early morning fog will burn off to partly sunny skies. Temperatures mid and upper 70s and lower 80s tomorrow afternoon. So warm and humid with a cloud-sun mixture. Not expecting much in the way of thunder, at least not yet, but much better chances for thunderstorms tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. On Friday, some lingering showers, cooler at 76, and then here comes the change of seasons. Much cooler. I mean, a nice weekend, but really fall-like, upper 60s to low 70s, both Saturday and Sunday, and that fall-like weather will extend through most of next week. So the daylight hours of tomorrow should be rain-free, just kind of warm and humid, but rain and thunder tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Some of these could be on the strong side, and this does coincide with the Patriots home opener tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Some thunderstorms may produce some gusty wind and some heavy downpours. Friday, sort of unsettled, some extra clouds and a few lingering showers. Nice over the weekend, but a lot cooler both Saturday and Sunday. Nighttime temperatures in the 40s. So we go from 92 this afternoon to about 48 sunrise Sunday morning.
All righty, Tony. Coming up.